Hello, this is the 12th recording. I'm just gonna go on a tangent. I was very stupid in the beginning, and essentially the front end engineer wasn't using the most latest version of Gradio, so it just never built it properly when I tried to run it because I was running the most latest version. So I made an edit. Um, you must use the most latest version of Gradio. Tired because it's the 12th time I'm saying this, but I'm very happy about it because it's just so sick. I'm sorry. Also, I'm running in GPT 4.0 mini or 4.0. When I initialized this Crew AI, I think I placed it as a 4.0 mini. So if I don't have this, it will run on the default 4.0 mini. Having it a mini, I've realized the application wasn't fully complete or it's not as fully fleshed out. But I can't go any higher than this because I had $5 in a dream with the with my API code essentially. Put yeah, $5 down. So yeah. Um so essentially we have agents here, the engineering lead, backend engineer, front end engineer, test engineer, front engineering lead, just kind of oversees the whole project, then directing the different engineers. It'll read through the requirements and it should will pretty much make like a rough draft of what kind of an idea, and we'll pass it to the backend engineer, and the backend engineer will pass it back to the engineering lead, and that's how it's gonna go. And then the engineering lead's gonna know that, and then the engineering lead's gonna pass it forward to front engineer, and then it's gonna create a Gradio UI based off what the backend engineer created. And then the final step is a test engineer. Will test the whole thing. I'm just gonna talk about it again. I fully, these are the tasks, obviously. We'll see it all here. Pretty cool. Um, the stupid mistake I made was, sorry, this is more of just me ranting now, but here's just the basic main on the .py for crew. You have the requirements that I listed out here, and then the module name and then the class name for that module. But in crew, I initialized all the agents, but I didn't initialize the test engineer's task. So it would just never run it. It just never ran it. And as you can tell, I have not pushed this change yet. But anyways, that was stupid on me. And then I found the whole like radio version thing. But this is pretty much the gist of it. I found it that it was very cool because the biggest thing that I started playing around with was um the allow code execution. So it uses Docker and it creates a Docker image to run Python in in a safe environment. So yeah, so I thought it was just pretty cool. I have another project which is just like a more of a basic. It's just a basic coder that creates Python code. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. But here I've already ran the program because the building takes a while. But honestly, with how long I was kind of yapping there, I think it would have finished by then. So yeah, here's the project that they made. So I'll open it here. There you go. You can um, initialize, or you can have a deposit, create the account, and then you can, yeah, here you can just pause it again, I guess. I don't know how they made that. And you can withdraw, zoom, and I don't think they did that properly here. But on my main, they have it. So we have yeah, Apple, Tesla, Google. So I wonder if it'll still work here. I can buy that. Yeah, I can buy Apple shares. Let's see if it was actually just lying. I see, because Apple or AAP2 doesn't exist, you can technically buy it, but it doesn't reduce anything because it doesn't actually, it's not a real thing. Tesla, does that work? Let's see. So you try to buy 10. Yeah. And we can go into the reports, get portfolio, and this is apparently how much we have. So yeah, it just kind of I mean, I didn't make this, the bots or AIs did. So yeah, I thought it was a pretty cool project. Obviously, it's not fully fleshed out, but it's kind of just a general idea of what Crew AI can do. And I thought it's a cool thing, especially with how I debugged the whole thing and just I think it's crazy how specific you have to be with a lot of these um agents, but I think it's always a good learning experience. And yeah, I've just been enjoying this a lot. But I hope you enjoyed this little demo rant or whatever. But thanks. The repository is in the description, or if you're coming from my GitHub. I'm so sorry. I know most people probably have a more formal, but I kind of just like, I don't know. It's kind of nice. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video if you're watching more. Hey, bye bye.